Okay, so now this is a question that I usually get in class, and this is something the students need to be careful with. So here we have two groups of sentences. Here we have the simple present. Let me find another color. The simple present, and here we have the present progressive, which is, as you remember, to be plus ing. Now, you will see, and we're gonna practice this, that once you know each of them separately, we need to learn how to combine them in a sentence or in a text, okay? And this is something that causes confusion at times. So just take a look, let's take a look at these sentences. She's a nurse, okay? That's a fact. She usually works at night. She usually works at night. This is our routine. And water boils at 100 degrees. This is a world truth or a fact. Well, let's write fact too. But it's a worldwide fact. Okay? This is a fact for this person, for her. Okay? So I wrote just these three to remind you that the simple present also have uses. Okay? So if you remember the uses of the simple present, and if you know their uses of the present progressive, it will be easy to choose between them. So you have to read a sentence, read the sentence, and say, what is this? Is this a fact? Or she's doing the dishes right now? Or is this an action that is happening at the moment of speaking? She usually works at night. Is that like a fact, a routine, a worldwide truth? She's working from home this week. Okay. So how would you see this in an exercise? We might eliminate the verb, and you'll have to fill in the blanks, either with present simple or present progressive, right? So you need to read the context, the rest of the sentence, to know if you need this one or this one. You need to know the sense. And then you said this week, that's a temporary action. Temporary actions are present progressive. Right now, that's an activity or a situation that is going on at the moment of speaking. That's present progressive. Tonight, tonight, it's future. So this has nothing to do with the future, only present progressive. So it's present progressive with the future sense. We're gonna do some of these exercises in the class. We're just gonna write one here for you to think about it. So for example, let's write he, space, and then the verb work, and at UTN. Okay, so you need to choose between this one or this one. You have to see the context, and you say, well, UTN, it's a place. There is no time indicator. There is no this week, tonight, right now. And it's giving me information about a person, of a place where he works. Okay, that must be a fact. So he works at UTN. Now let's take a look at this similar one. If I say he work from home now. Okay, so it's very similar, but we have now, right? So since I have now, I say is working. Okay, because I have this now. Now what happens if I eliminate now? What happens if I just say him, same thing, work from home? Okay, look at that. Nothing, no indicator, no now, not this week, nothing. Okay, here we will have like a situation where it could be ambiguous, because it could be he's working from home or he works from home too. you can have both because there is not enough context. Okay, so we have to be careful to to read the sentence well and to recognize those markers that tell us if it is one or the other.